What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And as you can see by the title of this video and what I have right here, we have a package to open. So I'm going to get right into that. It also comes with a little instruction page that gives you a description of the device, which is a wireless charger for smartphones and other devices that have a QI standard. So this is more devices like the iPhone 8, iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S8, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, more newer devices. And it also includes wireless charging cases such as the Mophie Juice Pack. I know it works for that device. It also gives some specifications like input and output, the contents within the package, and the power supply information. It also gives you a little operation paragraph that just tells you how to use it and what to expect when you are charging your device. Now, the charger itself, I already took these two pieces of plastic off camera, and both of these were on this blue ring here and this bottom piece here. Both of them are made out of a rubber that is supposed to be anti-slip, so when you have this on a counter, this should not slip, and when you have your phone on the top, it also should not slip. The charger is actually extremely light. It is about the size of my palm, I would say about 4 inches in diameter. It is also very thin. This is about, I would say, half an inch, if that. The charger comes in two different colors. This one's kind of like a navy blue, and it also comes in white if you would like. The packaging that it came in is not the greatest. It is actually, as you can see, quite like flimsy and very thin. But it seemed to protect the device well enough. The device also came with a micro USB cable, which is a foot long. So you would need to have something to connect this to relatively close to where you want to charge it, or you could just use a micro USB cable from another device, like your phone. The device also comes with a 12-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you get the device and there's a defect, or you notice something wrong with it that shouldn't be there in the first 30 days, you will be able to get a complete refund for your order. It has also passed several safety regulations that protect it from overheating or shorting or other electric complications. So that's it for this video. I will be doing another video on the wireless charger. I will be telling you things that I do not like about it, things I do like about it, or just any other information that I think should be put into a video. That video will be more in-depth. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about something I did, or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.